All right, so just refilled my PPF keg slip solution to be able to do this truck. And we're gonna pressurize. I usually go to about 40 psi. Got the Tremor done, got the GMC done. All they need is post heat yet, but I gotta get loaded up. I gotta load up scaffolding and 3 boxes of vinyl. It's like almost 200 feet, I think. No, 150, 160 some feet of color change vinyl, 3M. And then we are headed over to location to get ready to start wrap a grain trailer. Well guys, if you guys want to support the brand, grab one of our new key tags. Link in the bio, twssupplyco.ca. You got this. Oh yeah. Light work. All right, got our vinyl here. Trailer here. This is the trailer we're doing full wrap. Look at all those rivets. Got my scaffolding set up. So we are going to go ahead and grab a box of vinyl and start cutting panels and start wrapping. Now in the comments, guys, I want you guys to comment before I even start this. How long do you guys think it'll take me? I'm going to set a timer every time I start, from the time I start wrapping and every time I stop to do something else, because that's what I have to do. And because it is like 3:40 right now, our day here at Model 72 ends at 3:30. We start at 7. So we're gonna see how much we can get done here quickly today. Maybe we get 1 panel, maybe we get 2 or 3. We'll see. Okay, so we almost got 1 panel. The first panel, which is angled. First one is not even a full panel, done. Actually working really good. Next one is more so a full, it's a full panel. I really wish these were like 58 inches because our roll is 60 inches. So I do have to cut, because I think these are 48. So I have to cut like 10 inches off and then have a little bit overlap, whatnot. But looking good. We got a little bit more rivets to do here. As you can tell, we're using the Rolly Pro. I'll link this guy in the description if you guys want to go check it out. Wrap On Tools sells them. They are awesome. So yeah, we're gonna keep rocking and rolling here. But man, is it warm in here. I am like soaking wet, sweaty, and gross in here. I can't imagine what tomorrow's gonna be like, how gross I'm gonna be by the end of the day. We're gonna call it quits right there for tonight. We got like 10 minutes, so I just get back to the shop, clean up, and then we'll start again tomorrow. All right, we're back at location here with the trailer wrap. Got my second set of scaffolding. I'm gonna put all my boxes on here. I'm actually gonna put this one right behind my other scaffolding. Probably tie them on with, I was gonna bring some tarp straps or some straps, but with probably just vinyl. And then this one is gonna have all my stuff on it. So my rolls will be sitting here and I just transfer my rolls. I'm not even gonna lock my wheels. I'm just gonna push myself along, do 1 panel, push myself along, do 1 panel, push myself along. And that way I don't even have to get off the scaffolding. I can just hammer these out. Let's see how fast I can get these done. We're gonna set up time lapse because I have about an hour and a half now, and I gotta get back to the shop and finish the PPF jobs and then start another PPF job and then come back over here, continue working on this for a few hours, and then go back and finish up that other PPF job. So crazy day. Let's see how fast we can get this done. All right. So here's the setup. We've got 2 Metal Tech scaffoldings put together. I put them together because I forgot straps with some excess vinyl that I have from that peak panel. We got 3 rolls of vinyl here. That's the amount that we need for this job. We've got mag straps holding on our speaker. You jam out while we're working. We got mag straps on our heat gun. We got gator magnetics holding up our bottle of alcohol, and another gator magnetics holding up some tools and accessories that we need. So I can just get on this and start rolling, and it will all roll in one. I'm not locking it. I've got enough weight here with me on it that it won't move around. So I can do one panel, push myself, do another panel, push myself. Let's go. All right, we are now 2 panels in. I just gotta trim that side, trim this side, tuck on the top. I'm leaving the bottoms for later. Oh man, just got sweat like rolling into my eyes. Yeah, working awesome. We're just nailing this out. It's like 10 minutes a panel kind of thing, I think, as of right now. So we got 11 panels per side, so about 1.5 hours to 2 hours probably per side. So keep going. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 panels down on this one. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7.25 panels to go. Let's get to it. So we are just done another 2 panels, this one and that one, and now we are just over halfway done this side of the trailer. We're going good. We got 1 box empty, other than a partial, which isn't even, it's just like 6 inches shy from being enough to do that, which is okay. We ordered a little bit more than enough that we needed. So I need to head back to the shop now and finish 1 PPF job and start another PPF job. And then I'll probably come back here yet and work on this a little bit more today. We'll see how far we can get at the shop. All right, bulkhead installed. Let's go. See how fast we can get this guy done. Get back to that trailer wrap. All right. Let's go. All right, got this one fully installed. Just need to wrap the edges and post heat, but I always leave those for a few hours to let them dry out. So we're gonna leave those edges to dry out. We're gonna go wrap some more trailer. All right, this half left to go. I've got about an hour and a half till less than an hour and a half actually, till I get back to the shop to finish up a job before I leave at lunch for the day, because I got other stuff I have to do. Family stuff, my daughter's kindergarten graduation. So let's get to it. Let's see if we can get this half done in about an hour and 25 minutes. Hour and 15 actually.